Welcome back to Financial Fitness 101. This is our episode 7 and we're tackling the ever so confusing topic on insurance. If you just joined us in this video, please do check out the entire playlist to view all the lesson in this online YouTube course. Ever scratched your head at the mention of insurance, wondering exactly what it is? Well, let's clear up the confusion. Picture insurance as your financial safety net. It's like having a superhero, but instead of fighting off villains, it shields you from potential future financial losses. Let's consider an example to better understand this concept. Imagine you're a car owner. You pay a regular amount, known as a premium, to an insurance company. In return, if you unfortunately find yourself in a car accident, your insurance company covers the cost of the damages. Now you might ask, why would I pay for something that might not even happen? Well, that's the beauty of insurance. You're essentially paying a small fee regularly to avoid the possibility of a massive, unexpected cost down the line. So in a nutshell, you're paying a small amount regularly to avoid a potentially huge cost in the future. Insurance, my friends, is your financial superhero ready to save the day when you need it the most. Now, insurance isn't just for cars. There are more types than you can shake a stick at. Let's dive right in, shall we? Picture health insurance like a safety net on a trapeze. You're swinging along, performing your daily routines, when suddenly you fall ill. That's the unexpected tumble. The safety net catches you, mitigating the hard fall that could be hefty medical bills. It's there to cushion the impact and help you bounce back. Next, imagine life insurance as a financial cushion for your loved ones. It's like leaving behind a treasure chest full of gold coins. If you were to make an untimely exit from the stage of life, this treasure chest ensures your loved ones aren't left empty-handed. And then there's auto insurance. Think of it as a personal mechanic who's always on call. If your car decides to throw a tantrum in the middle of the highway, this insurance swoops in to fix things up. Different types of insurance cater to different aspects of life's unpredictability. Now you might ask, why should I bother with insurance? Well, my friend, it's all about risk management. Imagine being a tightrope walker high above the ground, performing without a safety net. The thrill might be exhilarating, but one misstep could spell disaster. That's life without insurance. Risk management is the safety net that catches you when you fall. It's about anticipating potential risks and having a plan in place. Just like our tightrope walker wouldn't perform without a safety net, you shouldn't navigate life's high wire without some form of protection. Insurance is that protection. It's your financial safety net there to catch you when life throws a curveball. It could be an unexpected illness, a car accident, or even the loss of a job. These are risks we all face, and having insurance helps mitigate the financial impact of these unforeseen events. Having insurance is like having a financial safety net, catching you when life's unexpected events knock you off balance. With so many insurance options, how do you pick the right one? Don't worry, it's not as tough as choosing the winning horse in a race. It's all about understanding your needs, financial situation, and potential risks. Let's start with your needs. What do you want to protect? Your health, your life, your car, or perhaps your treasured comic book collection? The answer to this will guide you towards the type of insurance you need. Next, consider your financial situation. How much premium can you comfortably pay without compromising your lifestyle? Remember, insurance should provide a safety net, not a financial burden. Also, don't forget to consider potential risks. If you live in a flood-prone area, you might want to consider flood insurance. Finally, evaluate the insurance company's credibility. Are they renowned for their customer service and claim settlement process? Choosing the right insurance coverage is about finding the best fit for your individual circumstances and ensuring that you're well protected against life's curveballs. We are so glad to have you on this journey. Please subscribe if you have not, and like if you found this video informative. Also, don't forget to leave us a comment on how much you have learnt from this series.